Hello student, MS Aris here. So today we are going to start the practice set 3.4, which is the part of your chapter polynomial. Okay, so the first question in our practice set says, for x equals to 0, find the value of the polynomial which is x square minus 5x plus 5. Okay, so it is given as we have to use x equals to 0 in order to find the value of this polynomial. Okay, so first we have to write the polynomial. So polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 5. Since x equals to 0, x equals to that we have to use in our polynomial in order to calculate the value of this polynomial. Okay, so x equals to 0 we have. So wherever we will find x, instead of x we have to replace it by 0. Okay, so we have to write 0 square. See, x equals to 0, that means x square we have, so we have to write 0 square minus 5 into x equals to 0 plus 5. So 0 of square is 0 minus 5 into 0 is 0 plus 5. Therefore, our answer will be 5. Okay. So this is our answer. That means we have the answer. So we have to write result now. So result. So what will be our result? The value of polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5 is 5 when x equals to 0. Okay, so this is the way we have to calculate the value of given polynomial. Okay, so write down now. So now we are going to solve the second problem. Okay, second problem says, if py equals to y square minus 3 root 2 of y plus 1, then find p 3 root 2 की वैल्यू हमको निकालना है. Okay, so first we have to write the polynomial. So what is polynomial? It is y square minus 3 root 2 of y plus 1. Okay, and it is equals to py. Okay, since py equals to see यहाँ पर क्या दिया हमको p3 root 2 की वैल्यू हमको निकालना है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है y की दिया हुआ है. ओके, देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट y इक्वल्स टू आ जाएगा, इट इज y इक्वल टू जाएगा 3 root 2. ओके, so y के प्लेस में हमको 3 root 2 प्लेस करना है, then we will find the value of this polynomial. Okay, so wherever we will find y, we have to replace it by 3 root 2. Therefore now it is p, see, instead of y we have to write 3 root 2. 3 root 2 in bracket equals to, we have y square, so y is 3 root 2 and whole square minus 3 root 2 already is given, 3 root 2 into y. What is y? It is again 3 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 1. So p 3 root 2 equals to, see, square of 3 is 9 into square of root 2 is 2 minus 3 into 3 is 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 1. So p 3 root 2 equals to 9 2s are 18 minus 9 2s are 18 plus 1 18 and 18 will get cancelled because they have opposite sign. Therefore P3 root 2 equals to 1. So answer will be 1. Okay. So this is the value of polynomial. Therefore, we have to write result. What will be result? The value of polynomial y square equals to 3 root 2 of y plus 1 is 1. Okay. So this is our answer. When y equals to 3 root 2. Now this is the answer. Okay. So this is the way you have to solve the problem where you have to find the value of polynomial. Okay. So write down this is the solution of second problem. So now we are going to solve the third problem. Okay. So third problem says Pm equals to, we have m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, and we have to find Pa plus P minus a. Okay. So here once we have to take m equals to a and then m equals to minus a. Okay. So we have to solve the PA first. Okay. So PA equals to, wherever we will find m, we have to replace it by a. So we have Pm, so we have written PA equals to, here we have m cube, so will become a cube plus 2m square minus, instead of m we have to write a, then we have minus m will be minus a plus 10. Okay. Now for this is for m equals to a. So let it is our first equation. Now P minus a equals to, a cube will become minus a cube, then minus. See, we have 2 into a square we have, so we have to write minus. Here we have m, so instead of m we have to write a. So minus a square minus, see here we have minus a and in minus m, and instead of m we are taking minus a. So in bracket we have to write minus a plus 10. When m equals to minus a we have placed. Okay. Now we have to solve this one. So P minus a equals to, see, minus a cube will remain as it is, minus a cube. See, minus 2 we have, so minus into minus a square is plus 2a square, minus into minus is plus, so will become plus a plus 10. Okay, so this is our second part. Now we have to add, see, we have to add PA and P minus a. So now PA plus P minus a equals, what is PA? PA is this one. So we have a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 plus, here we have minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So a cube is minus plus and a cube is minus will get cancelled. Here minus a and plus a will also get cancelled. Now what will remain here? 2a square plus 2a square will become 4a square. So p a plus p minus a equals to, so 2a square plus 2a square is 4a square plus 10 and 10 is 20. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so now we have to write the result. So what is result? PA plus P minus A equals to 4A square plus 20. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so students, this is again a really very easy one. It is little bit a conceptual part of. Okay, so write down, this is the third problem. So now we are going to solve the fourth and which is the last problem of your practice set 3.4. Okay. So here the polynomial given is py equals to 2y cube minus 6y square plus 5y minus 5y plus 7. Then we have to find the value of p2. Okay. So instead of y we have to replace it by 2. So if py equals to p2, which is given, so therefore y equals to 2. So instead of y, wherever we will find y, we have to replace it by 2. So what is the polynomial? It is py equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Since y equals to 2, so p2 equals to 2 into 2 cube minus 6 into y. Instead of y we will write 2, so it will become 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So cube of 2 is 8. 8 2's are 16. Minus the square of 2 is 4. 4 6 are 24. Minus 5 2's are 10 plus 7. So 16 plus 7. Both have same sign. So we'll add this first. So P2 equals to 16 plus 7 is 23. Minus 24 minus 24 and minus 10 will add and sign will remain same, so will become 34. So P2 equals to 34 minus 2, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Greater number is 34 and its sign will be negative. Okay, so the minus answer will be the answer of this polynomial. Okay, so we have to write the result. So what will be the result? P2 equals to minus 11 for polynomial Py equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so write down now. So students, here we have completed our practice set 3.4. Okay, so by next lecture we are going to understand the next part of the polynomial chapter. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.